Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a core exercise known as the body saw. It is without doubt one of my favorite core exercises to do, and I know you're going to love it as well. So let's get on with the show. Okay, so to do the body saw, you're going to need a foam roller. Now you can do it with like those slip discs, but I prefer doing it with a foam roller because often I find in gyms you haven't got floors that are slippery enough for the discs, so just doing it with a roller works really well. Now what you're going to do is, we're working the core, so we're going to basically kind of get into a plank position, and we're going to put the foam roller quite low down the legs. So you're going to put your shins on the roller here, and we're going to get ourselves into a plank position like so. Now, like always with a plank position, we want to make sure that our shoulders are above our elbows, wrists are nice and relaxed, and we're staying as flat as we can through the body. Like so. Now, the body saw action is we're going to roll back as far as we can go, and then we're going to come back just to vertical. So the key is we're just going to come back until our shoulder is back above the elbow, like so. So we go back as far as we can, and then come back to here, like so. And that is the body saw exercise. Now, a lot of people, when they do this exercise, is they'll come too far forward. So they'll end up finishing kind of here, and that's not ideal. We don't want to be there. We just want you, it's all about how far you go back compared to how far you go forwards. The other thing I see a lot of people do when they're doing this is they'll lift up their hips. So they'll get into this position, and as they go back, then they'll come forward. And because they can't figure it out, they do this, like a pike. Now, we don't need you piking. We want you to stay as parallel to the floor as possible as you're doing it, and you're just coming back and forth like so. Let me show you a few more reps so you can just visualize it. So, foam roller, low down on my legs. And then I'm going back, so the foam roller goes up my shin. I'm going back as far as I can, squeeze, and come forwards. Oh, that's tough. And that is the body saw ab exercise. Hope you enjoy it, hope you use it. It's really good fun. Make sure you get a soft foam roller as well. Don't get one of those knobbly, hard, plasticky ones. You want it to be nice and comfortable on your shins because it's not very comfortable on your core. And I hope you enjoy. Have a great day. Thanks for being here, and I'll speak to you again real soon. Ciao, ciao.